Bubble Warbucks gave me that.
Bubble Warbucks?
We're here.
Thanks for letting him, right? Wear your sweatshirt.
Yeah, yeah.
He left both of his coats in my house, in my car.
Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We're here at Carlsbad Caverns and we're getting ready to enter the visitor center.
Thank you. In the military, that's it.
Yes. Hello, cute little bat.
So I used my park pass and it got 4 of us in, and Danny's gonna use her park pass and get the other 4 in.
They're creme de la creme for cave exploration tools, and you can get extremely accurate
Crawl through there. Go ahead, crawl through there. Are you a caver?
Oh, that's what you're supposed to crawl through. Okay.
Certain, yeah. When exploring, are you a caver? Go crawl through. A girl just crawled through there. Go ahead.
Uh-oh, what is on? What is it?
Good job, girl. You go, girl. So I guess this is some of the mining tools they use to mine the caves. It's pretty neat. Some old looking stuff.
Oh, this is a pretty view. Where's the cage at? Whoa.
Oh, nice.
Natural entrance is ahead of us.
It's so beautiful out here. This path leads to the Bat Flight Amphitheater and also the cave entrance. It's really cloudy today, but it's okay. We'll be underground, so it doesn't really matter.
So, since this is self-guided, there's some things we want you to know before you continue. If you are responsible for that green receipt for your group, don't lose it. It's a 3-day permit. Comes in real handy if you have plans of leaving and coming back. And all the rules are printed right on it as a handy reference. The one rule that we want everyone to know for sure is that we are not supposed to touch any rocks in the cave. You can take photographs, you can shine lights, use flashlights, headlamps, but touching is not allowed because of the natural oils of the skin. It'll soak into the calcite mineral and change colors forever. It's irreversible, so please resist the urge to do that. Now, this is a very steep downhill trail that's going to take you 80 stories under that building. Some people would consider it strenuous. This is the last restroom before you start. It takes most people 45 minutes to an hour to reach the next one, so go into the cave prepared. Only water is allowed to be consumed on this path. That also means no fun stuff like gum, e-cigarettes, chewing tobacco, so sorry about that. And the last thing is to please be courteous to those around you. You are sharing a large, echoey cave chamber with lots of people, so try to talk a little softer than you normally do. All right? So maybe museum voices down there. If I was even talking just this loud inside the cave, I would be distracting loads of people. So be courteous to those you're sharing the cave with. All right? Any questions? All right. Well, if you're ready, cave's that way. Enjoy your time.
Here's the amphitheater, and this is actually where they do the bat flights, but they don't happen until, I believe, May.
May, the main ones, but they do have a few bats that come out at 7:28 last night, and you can meet a ranger here at 6:30 for an informal chat and see the bats that do come up, but they're not the ones that migrate from Mexico to here.
Oh, okay.
Light bulbs. I don't. I can't go steep.
Cool.
That's a long ways down.
Yep, this is the entrance for the cave. Yeah. Look how small those people look compared to the cave entrance. Descend into darkness. Hey, y'all.
Hi.
Hey, family. So, look at the walls. I think that's probably, there's a lot of holes there. I'm sure some bats live in there. Hello. What's your thoughts there, sir? We're getting down to the darkness. Ooh, scary. Creepy. Okay, we're entering the darkness.
You got that light. Don't turn around, you'll be blinded.
Yes, you will be blinded.
You can go ahead if you want. I'm trying to delete some stuff so I can film.
Oh no. Looky. Isn't it cool? More darkness down there. Did you get a good picture? Slide it up out there. Oh, I hear the bats. Where'd it go? Right there. Oh, look it. One's flying around. There it is.
That's a starling.
Is it a starling?
Yeah.
What kind of bat is that?
A non-bat.
Oh, it's
non-bat bat.
Oh, it's a non-bat bat, but it was making bat noises.
Did you hear the little chirp?
Yeah. You using your laser?
I'm just pointing out more cave.
Oh, okay.
This is all cave.
Yes, it's all cave. Oh, look it. There's Bat Dookie. Bat Dookie.
It's not bat dookie, it's guano.
Oh, thanks. I know, it's guano, not Bat Dookie. Sorry, my bad.
Bat dookie is the technical term.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? Ooh. So quiet in here. That looks like a scary movie. Ooh. Ooh.
You think this is authentic to the cave?
Oh, that, yeah.
This was prehistoric.
Yeah, it goes right into the rock.
We're
Yeah.
now
Well, cavemen
200
needed
feet
lights
under.
too.
We're almost at 200 feet down because we just came down the squiggly path. Now we're
Right.
doing the long loop
Oh, cool.
into the Devil's Spring.
Ooh, sounds creepy.
There are different types of hanging soda straws and stalactites.
Do you know the difference?
I read it, but I forget now.
You're not very informative, man.
Well, he knows everything, so I was kind of hoping.
Wait, Ross or him?
No, this guy.
Oh, do you know the difference?
Difference in what?
What she said?
I don't remember what she said.
Stalactite and the soda straw.
I do not. Other than I would assume a soda straw's hollow.
Oh, good point.
Why?
Hey, familiar.
Hey. Stalactites.
Mm-hmm.
And number 2, those are stalagmites.
The ones on the bottom.
And ones on the bottom.
Right. Stalactites are the ones that grow from the ceiling, and the mites are the one that grow from the base.
And then these are the soda straws, the
Oh,
skinny
the
ones.
skinny ones that grow from the ceiling.
And then you have draperies. There's
cool.
4. 4. Those are draperies.
Oh, cool. So there's that cave entrance that we just came from. Ooh, see the small people up on the ledge? There's the entrance right there. Small people going up. And we are way down here. Ooh, who's that creepy person sitting in the dark?
It's Cheslin.
Look it. It's a penis in the middle of the cave.
I know, that's what I saw. That's what I saw.
Continuing on. Get that footage, sir. Get that footage. You heard what?
Bat poop.
Land beside you? Well, it drips, so it might not be. Oh, yeah. You can see all the bats. There's the bats at the top of the cave.
There's that close to bats up there. I didn't know.
Wow, look at that old... What is that? Like a tire or a rim for something?
Trailer rim.
Yeah, it's metal. That's pretty cool. Look at all the bat poo. Guano, sorry. So there is the mouth of the cave where we came. So we are continuing on. This cave just goes on and on. I believe it is 2.5 miles total. If you take the natural. No, but it's a mile down.
Yeah.
And then when we get there, it's 1.25 miles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I just said 2.5, but yeah, you're right.
This area is big enough for all of our RVs.
No,
This is,
it's
Yeah.
not.
I want to see you get your big RV down here.
I can do it.
Your RV would take up that whole spot.
I could totally do it.
What? Oh,
Fit in my little tiny van.
look, it's dripping. Where'd it go? I didn't see. Just wait. Be patient. There it goes. Cool. Yeah, y'all all are making sound effects. Are you doing it too?
See what?
Oh, now I'm blind again.
Sorry. Sorry. Look, there's a robot staring at us.
An owl.
I wonder if that belongs to the
Square
cave.
owl.
That was good fun.
So if one of those fell on your head, that would definitely be painful. Wow. Very pokey. Look at this pool of water underground. Isn't that cool? Ooh. Neato. Ooh, the reflection is so pretty.
Marshmallows.
Ooh, look at it's cave boogers.
This cave's not. It's called a
That really looks.
Stone, I
No,
think.
it's not.
Oh yeah, if you're with your honey and your nose is runny, you may think it's funny, but it's not. Oh yeah, I can see the moisture in your light beam. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll point it out.
Wow.
Like that.
Well, that's what she said. Are those shadows?
You too funny.
They're skinny.
I'm gonna need you slowpokes to hurry up, please.
Terry's gonna run out of power before she's
Oh, I know.
quarter of the way through.
And this is just a mile walk down. It's just a cave entrance. We haven't even reached the big cave yet. I'm gonna need you to hurry up. How are you doing?
So amazing in here.
It
I have
is.
to shoot all of it.
But there's plenty more to come too.
It's okay.
How
I
are
have
you
a
feeling
battery
though?
pack.
That's good. Are you feeling good?
Yes, but I'm going to regret it tomorrow.
Oh.
Well, I won't regret it because it's beautiful, so
Right.
I'm not worried about it. I will ice and heat and put lots of stuff on my head.
Cool. This is the airflow. Cold air comes in and warm air goes out. Oh, so sorry.
No, it's okay. I wasn't interrupting anything. Those are cave pearls.
Okay, pearls.
Well, these things down here are called cave pearls.
Yeah, the elevator's broken. But you know, we can take it slow.
We can take it really slow.
Right.
The 4-hour total round trip to hike down, go around bigger and hike back up.
Okay.
We should be fine if we take our time, so.